The world is crazy, and you know what is crazy? This entire camera. I mean, just look at me. It can capture me from everywhere, no matter where I am and what am I doing. It sees every single thing. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Travel Junkie. So I found this place to be one of the best, but I still need to check out the footage. So without wasting any more time, let's go and ride. Man, I love this curve. Wow. I don't know whether it's too much of vibration because my camera is shaking. You can see the camera is shaking like anything, but I really don't know how the footage will come out. I need to check that out as well. Like GoPro, they also have something called flow state, which is nothing but EIS at the end. So GoPro calls it hyper smooth, and Insta guys, they call it flow state. Weather is awesome today. Weather is beautiful. You can see the road is completely empty, and this is the reason I bought this camera, because I want to capture the entire world around me while I'm riding. Isn't it awesome? In Ghat section it will be mind-blowing, but there are a couple of shots that I want to try, which I'll do it once I reach the place. Wow, just look at this side. Finally, I found one spot where I can park my bike and click some Insta footage. Wow, what a location. Pin drop silence, no one is around. Beautiful. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. I mean, it's perfect for all the shots that I want to take. Beautiful, beautiful. Chalo, now I'll try some Insta 360 shots, practice those, and I'll head back home. I found my location. Yeah. Alright, so I'm done with shooting and everything. Now I'm heading back to my home. It was a good ride. I learned a lot about Insta360 camera, how to shoot and all of that. But the thing is, what I feel right off the bat is the editing is definitely gonna be a task, but I hope I optimize that also. But apart from that, this camera is pretty awesome. So let's look at the final conclusion. So if you already have this, and if you want a secondary action camera, then go for that. If you don't have that, then you can think about this. If you don't have that editing power, or if you don't want to spend a lot more time, or rather I would say, if you are just starting out into motovlog space, think about this, because this kind of teaches you how to edit and stuff like that. This might scare you. If you are okay with spending for both the lenses or both the cameras, just go for it. I mean, I have been using GoPro since 2 years and I have no problem except one, and that is the hanging problem. GoPro hangs a lot, no matter what GoPro you use. I don't know about 9, but I know for a fact that 7 and 8, they hangs a lot. God knows for what reason, but they hangs a lot. But this guy, so far it didn't hang. Okay, so I'm hoping that it's never gonna happen. But apart from that, the picture quality, I would say both the camera, they do absolutely fine. And where the 360 camera shines, when you want to capture basically everything that comes on your way. And that way I feel Insta360 is a perfect buy, is a perfect choice. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel, because this editing took quite a bit of time, man. And I'm still new to 360 space, so I'll figure it out how to optimize editing and stuff like that. But if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing, liking this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.